Hello, 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 hello. Good evening, good evening. So today we are in the kitchen and I want to take you along as we cook. So welcome and join us as we do this. Now today, guys, I have milk, I have meat. I'm not going to cook that. Let me show you what I'm going to cook today. So guys, you know this one? Omena. That is what we are going to cook for tonight. And then we are going to serve it with ugali. So omena, what you do with omena, not too much. What we do, you salt it first. You salt your omena very well. I don't like the big ones. No, I don't like the big ones. So we salt the omena first, like this. It's evening, guys. I'm from work, so I'm cooking supper for 2 people. So we'll be serving omena and ugali. Guys, you have to salt your omena thoroughly. So be putting there. You know what you salt to remove? I'll show you just now. These things like this one. These ones you don't cook. So these ones you salt. This looks to be very good. So guys, comment to tell me whether you know this delicacy and how you cook it, because today I'm going to take you along as we cook our omena, our ugali, and also green vegetables. So comment, tell me how you cook your omena, what the name you give them. They're also known as sardines. These are sardines, but personally I don't like the big ones. I like these small ones. You see these ones? The best. The big ones, no. Because first they take a lot of time to cook. The taste, I don't like them anyway. I like cooking omena, the small one, the one we are used. So guys, let's continue sorting. Hope you can see me, guys. Comment, guys, comment, tell me how you cook your omena. Comment, tell me how you cook your omena. So just comment, tell me, and what do you serve your omena with. So guys, look at this. These are my sorted omena, and this is the dirt, whatever I've removed. All this we don't need. We are going to dispose this one. Okay, it's not that bad, but it looks worse. At least these ones are full. They are, they look grade 1. So we are done with sorting. Let's go to the next step, which is now boiling our omena. So guys, our omena, they are clean. I've really washed them. You can see very clean. And so we are boiling water to boil them. And on the other side, we are making ugali. So we let our waters to boil. This water for omena, we are going to add some salt. So let's do that. So we've added salt. Sometimes I don't show you everything because I'm recording. So let's put our omena. They boil, but we are not going to overboil them. Just a little bit to soften them and also remove the smell. Sometimes omena can have a very strong smell, but when you wash them thoroughly, when you buy fresh ones, that one should not worry you. Okay, so those are our omena. Let them boil. So guys, our omena is boiling. So now remember, you don't overcook here. And also our water for ugali is also cooking, boiling. So let's cook the ugali, then we fry the omena. So guys, you know your ugali is ready when you see it browning at the bottom. So it's high time we remove our ugali, and this is how we do it. Like that. Like that. It's perfect. We are going to allow our oil to heat so that we can deep fry our omena. If you want a very nice taste for the omena, kindly make sure you deep fry it before frying, shallow frying. So that's what we are doing. So our oil is ready. We deep fry. Important to be careful while cooking. So we are going to deep fry them until they become brown, golden brown. So now, fry them. So we are frying our omena, guys. On cooking. So guys, our omena is doing fine. Just be brown, but don't burn it. So now it's doing well. Give it some more time. Meanwhile, here we have crushed garlic and ginger. We have onion, tomato, bell pepper green, and carrots. All these are going to go to our omena. So let's give it some more time, then we add our ingredients. So guys, we go in with our garlic and ginger. Remember, you don't need to remove the oil you fried. It's the same one you're going to shallow fry with. Because you can just put little. Nice. Yeah. Just to go in with the red onion. Go in with your carrot. Cover it and cook. So guys, I had to change my pan now to seforia. It's still fine. So we go in with our tomato and the bell pepper. And now we add our spices. So we're going with our cubes. Our sardine. barbecue. Italian blend. And of course our celery. I usually put my spices in moderation. And guys, if you want your omena to have a nice taste, you have to squeeze lemon. So let's do that. So here goes our lemon. Yes, so nice. So guys, our omena almost ready. Almost ready, and the taste so nice. Meanwhile, here we have our veggies, and today's veggies we have spinach, so we are going to wash our veggies. We have spinach, we have pigweed, we have skuma and chaos, skuma, we have pumpkin leaves on sheveve, and we have the pigeon peas. So we're going to wash them and prepare them, guys. So let's do that. So guys, I've already cut our veggies in small pieces. So what we are going to do is steam them. So we already have our onions steaming. I usually add my onions, but I don't fry. So let's go. We put our onion there. Then of course some little oil. We cover to cook. These are traditional vegetables. Kuma, pigweed, pumpkin leaves, pigeon peas, combination of others. That is the best breakfast you'll ever enjoy. Together with your omena, guys. Together with the omena and the ugali. So let's allow our veggies to cook. Then we serve. So our veggies is cooking, and because we are traditional, we just add some little milk. You can add milk or even cream or coconut. So today I have milk. That is what I'm adding. Let it cook. So nice. Yo. So guys, our dinner is served. It's ready. Our ugali is there. Our veggies, our omena. So let us serve and enjoy the meal. Take a nice photo. Our omena is served. So guys, our ugali, omena, vegetables, and avocado, guys, is ready. Our dinner is served, guys. Come join us as we do this, as we enjoy the meal. Until next time, remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to like, and also enjoy the meal with us. So bye bye guys. Allow me to eat.